And that way, when we each pipe that we have, we can just go ahead and put the measurement on there, and once we push the SharkBite in, we know that we are in far enough. Now it won't go flying all over the place because I can control it, and I'm not trying to focus for the camera right now. Okay, there's two marks on here. The first one is when I didn't have it in far enough, but well, once I finally pushed it in further, I got the second mark, which should be the actual true mark. And so we're going to measure it, and right there we see 7/8, about 7/8 right there, an inch and 7/8. I know that I'm measuring it from the 3-inch mark, but a lot of us do this out in the field. It makes it a little easier to read rather than trying to go to the end sometimes. Now this